This is a simple Crown Chakra meditation. First, we're going to go over some crystals that you can use during this meditation. There's clear quartz, which is the master healer, and it amplifies the energy of other crystals and strengthens your connection to the universal energy field. You can hold this near your crown during meditation to keep your spiritual channel open. Next is selenite. This is known as the Stone of Angels. It promotes spiritual connection, peace, and divine guidance. Hold it during meditation or place it near your bed to invite angelic communication and access higher realms. There's also amethyst. This protective stone calms the mind and aids in spiritual awakening. Hold it near your crown during meditation or wear it as jewelry to connect with your higher self and deepen your spiritual understanding. When you're ready, sit comfortably with your spine straight and eyes closed. Take a few deep breaths, releasing any tension or worries. Bring your awareness to the crown of your head, imagining a soft white light glowing there. Feel this white light expand, enveloping your entire head and reaching upwards to connect with the vastness of the cosmos. Imagine you're bathed in this radiant light, grounded and yet unbounded. As you inhale, breathe in the white light, drawing in the energy of the universe. Feel it fill your being with peace, understanding, and interconnectedness. With each exhale, release any thoughts or limitations, allowing yourself to surrender to the infinite. Visualize yourself connected to everyone and everything around you. See lines of light linking you to all beings, to nature, and to the invisible force that animates all creation. Feel this deep sense of belonging, of being a part of something much grander than yourself. You can repeat these affirmations silently or aloud. I am connected to all beings in the universe. I am a channel of divine love and light. I am a part of the cosmic dance, forever expanding and unfolding. When you're ready, gently come back to your breath, carrying this white light and the sense of oneness with you. Remember, this connection is always present. It's a source of peace and guidance that you can access anytime. And even after this meditation, you spend some time in nature, feeling the interconnectedness with the earth and all its creatures. Practice acts of kindness and compassion, radiating that beautiful light you've received outwards. Many blessings.